One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. We're going to be talking about this secret tech strategy being revealed and what that all means.
Yeah, we've done a lot of work, as you know, as everybody else knows, over the last 2.5 years of Show Me the Money, and a lot of people are coming around now and trying to figure out that this is happening. This is, I mean, look, it's not a secret for us as drivers, right? We're hands-on. We know what's going on. But now I think the consumer is coming around, and the consumer is going like, wait a minute, what's happening here? And you were not present, but I was just kind of breaking the news that early next year, we're going to test the algorithmic discrimination on the rider side, because I think it's happening a lot larger margins than it's happening on the driver side.
Well, we got tagged in some proof earlier today.
You bet. And then I tweeted it. I responded. I said hocus pocus, and I think I'm going to copyright that word. I don't know, because that's exactly what's going on, right? Here today, gone tomorrow, or this second is right here. Sleight of hand. These lightning fast algos, right? They can pull the rug under you anytime they want. So this is a professor that figured this out. Uber's secret tech strategy, professor to us. It's not that much of a secret. So Dr. Michael Foster, if you ever do watch it, I will try to get in touch with you. I would like to have you on the show, actually. Uber's secret tech strategy, what you haven't been told yet. Well, we've been told everything pretty much because we drive, we know. So Uber technology is one of the dominant players in the transportation industry, is not contemplating, sir. They already are doing it. They've been doing it for a while. A bold leap into the realm of artificial intelligence. They've been doing that for so long. So, and then, he wrote this wonderful article. Please go check it out. It's under jumpthroughland.net. The underlying motive, reinventing ride-hailing with AI. There is no reinvention, sir. It's been there. AI in rideshare has been there for, I don't know, 10 years, 8 years probably. As you know, I have contacts at Uber, and they tell me actually the AI and machine learning started in the Kalanick days, Travis days, and then it just took another level up when DK showed up. And the potential impacts, what could mean for consumers. Well, we're going to test that early next year. I'm hoping we do it with more perfect union. Don't you think that would be awesome? Because we did it for the drivers. I think we're like at 4.6 million or 4.7 million views. And then we should do one again with more perfect union for riders. What do you think?
Well, either way, I mean, we're going to break the news because we're going to look into it a little bit better and see. So that's going to be interesting. But I already know what they're going to say. I'm not going to say because I don't want to give them any ammo. But when it comes to it, but I already know what to expect when they say something. So either way,
Uber, yeah, yep. Uber, yeah. Well, they have the cookie cutter cut and paste stuff ready to go.
Oh yeah, I know the cookie cutter responses. So I'm sure that's the cookie cutter response that we're gonna get when we see it. Because yeah, like I said, if you follow us on X, there's a lot of things that we talk about, including several of today's topics before. So if you want to chime in or even get hold of us, because that's where we actually saw somebody who used the app and has 2 different phones, one iPhone, one Android, and decided to price the same trip and got a different price for pretty much any of the ones that they were trying to select. So pretty interesting when it came, because there was quite a discrepancy between some of the pay changes on some of the ride requests. And there was no other information that changed. So like distance to driver or time to driver and all that was pretty much the same. So it wasn't like there was much of a difference between anything beyond that.
Yeah, for sure. But I'm glad actually, that a lot of these, academics are coming around and kind of, we do have theories, and I would say, what would you say, over the last 2.5 years, how many of our theories have been proven? Probably
Ooh,
every single one, I would say.
if not, we'll say like 9 out of 10.
Easily, right? So, and then now, academics coming around saying, "Oh, look, they're going to use AI to manipulate the consumer affairs." I'm like, sir, it's like, I think it's going on. It's been going on. What's been happening is that it's just getting worse. That's all that's happening on the driver's side
All I
and the
know
rider's.
all I know is if I start seeing digital price signs within places like Walmart, I will not
They
shop there
have it.
anymore.
They have it.
Well,
They have it at
so
Walmart.
I haven't, not at ours.
Oh,
So
well, ours has it.
we got sticker. So if it changes
Oh,
from the sticker, I go back, I'll take a picture and be like, this is the price it is. This is the price you're giving it to me at. You're not going to try to pull a hocus pocus move here and say, oh, well, we changed it and it may not.
I have a,
Nope, that's the
I have,
sticker price, bro.
I have a super center, literally like 5 miles from my house, Walmart super center or whatever they're called. They have it, and I'm like, sure. Hocus pocus. 1 minute is $2.79, and the next minute is $2.89. Or
Yeah, no thanks.
even if it's 2 pennies to Walmart, as much as they sell, imagine that. I mean, how many dollars that is? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Yep. So
So
that's why I just like driving myself, because it's a lot simpler.
yeah, I agree.
I don't need to deal with all that crap. But yeah, it's good to see that other people are kind of speculating now. We just put the proof out there. That's all we
Yeah.
got to do. We just
Yeah.
prove your theories. See, they'll think about it. They'll ponder and they'll be like, what do we think in Uberland today? And I mean, we actually go out and we figure out what is actually happening and all of that. And
Well, to me, as long as the drivers get the benefit out of it, right? The community gets some money out of it, because they have gotten a lot of money over the last 2.5 years, and because those theories happen to be correct. And I'm glad, and we're going to keep doing it in the New Year's, man. That's it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.